Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. Pluralsight has launched a free week offer through which you can get all the courses and projects in the Pluralsight platform for free of cost, and you can also get a certificate for free after completing those projects and courses. And in this video, we are going to see about this free week offer by Pluralsight in depth. I'll show you how to register for this free week and how to register for the courses and get your certificate for free. So keep watching this video till the end and get all the details about this free week offer. So before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So Pluralsight is one of the best online learning platform and it's very well known for its technology related courses. And as I said, it has launched a free week offer from October 12, 2020 to October 18th, 2020. So in this 1 week, you can enroll in any course or project or video tutorial, anything in Pluralsight platform for free. You will also get a certificate once you complete the course or project in whichever you enroll in. So what I mean is entire platform, that is whatever available in Pluralsight is going to be available for you for free from October 12th to October 18th, 2020. So make use of this opportunity because you can't get free courses in Pluralsight very often. Now let's see how to register for this free week offer by Pluralsight. So if you scroll down here, I'll put the link in description, come to this page, and if you scroll down, you can see here a form on the right side. You have to fill this form for applying for this free week offer. And before filling this form, I'll tell you one more thing. This offer will expire on Sunday, October 18th at 11:59 p.m. Note that the time zone is here in MT. MT means Mountain Daylight Time. I think it's a time zone in USA. So convert this time zone to your local time zone and see at which time it's going to expire for you. So before filling out this form, if you already have a Pluralsight account, click on login and log into your Pluralsight account. And if you are coming here for the first time, which means if you don't have a Pluralsight account, you can straight away fill this form out and click on I agree, activate benefit. Then your account will be automatically created and you will get a mail from Pluralsight that your account has been created in Pluralsight. So now let's see how to fill out this form. Here it is. So you have to give your details like email ID, first name, last name, and you have to give your country, and if you wish you can also give your phone number and company name. If you are a working professional, you can give your company name only if you wish. Company name and phone number is not mandatory, you can skip it. So let me give my details and catch up later. So once you give all your details, check this box and click on I agree, activate benefit. So that's it. Now we have activated our free week benefit by Pluralsight and we have logged into our account. So once you log into your account, you will see here path, which means it's a specialization or a set of courses. You can just click on it and you can see all the learning paths that are available for free in this Pluralsight platform. So you can see all the paths here, that is learning paths. So it is a set of courses. So in each path, you will get a set of courses which you need to complete to get that skill. And on the left side, there are topics. So you can filter it out by topics. And you have some courses which can help you in preparing for certifications like the PMI ACP. So there are a lot of courses and learning path. You can just come and explore here. And if you click on browse here at the top, you can see the categories like business professional, cloud skills, data and machine learning, IT operations, security, software development. So they are offering courses across all these different categories, and you have some more categories. I don't see it here, but there are a few more categories. You can just use the search bar here. You can search whichever course you want. For example, let me search for Photoshop. So once you give the detail in the search bar and click on enter, you will see all the results for that search. So there are 316 results for this one, Photoshop. So you have courses like Photoshop CC fundamentals. So whichever you want, just type in the search bar and click on enter. So you will see all the results for that particular search. So now let's see how to enroll in a course. So once you see the course, just click on its name. Once you click on the course name, you can see all the details about that particular course, like the course instructor and the table of contents, that is what you'll be learning in this course. And you can click on exercise files here and see what are the exercises you have. And on the right side, you can see the level of this course, like it's a beginner level or intermediate or advanced level. You can see that, and you can also see the course rating, and you can also rate this course if you want. Once you complete the course, you can rate it, and you can see the duration of a course and when it's last updated. So you can see all the details about this course once you click on the course name. And you can use the download course button here. Click on it and download this course. Download whichever course you want. You can download it through this download course button. Okay, now let's see how to enroll in this course. So you can see here button, start course. Click on that to enroll in this course. So now we have enrolled in this course, Photoshop CC Fundamentals. And on the right side, you can see all the course content here, which are all the things you need to complete this course fully and receive your certificate. So this is how you need to activate your free week offer benefit by Pluralsight, and this is how you need to enroll in a course in Pluralsight. And if you want to see in whichever course you have enrolled, you can go to your profile here. You can see your icon here. Just click on it and go to history. Once you click on history, you can see all the courses in which you have enrolled. And once you complete the course, this course completion progress will become 100%, and this play button here will change into a badge, and then you have to click on that badge to view your certificate, and then you can download your certificate for free of cost from Pluralsight. So make use of this opportunity to get any course in Pluralsight for free. The entire course library in Pluralsight is offered for this free week, and you can use this opportunity to get any course that you like, and you can also get the certificate for free once you complete the course. So make use of this opportunity. In addition to getting all the courses for free through this free week offer, you can also participate in a free live event by Pluralsight. So this is Pluralsight Live. It's a conference. It's like a virtual event. You can participate in it for free. So this is a technology based conference. If you are really interested in learning about new technology, you can sign up for this live event also. It's going to be from October 13th to 16th. So now the date is October 13th, and it is going to be in 5 more hours. So you can sign up for this live event if you want, and you will be learning about a lot about technology only in this conference. So make use of this opportunity. If you really want to learn about technology skills from the leaders and the professionals, you can sign up for this live event by Pluralsight. So this is the content for this video. Pluralsight is offering a free week from October 12th to October 18th, 2020. And this offer will expire on October 18th, Sunday at 11:59 p.m. MT. So convert that to your local time zone and see whichever time it's going to expire for you. So make use of this opportunity to get any course in Pluralsight for free of cost. And you can also get the certificate for free after completing the courses. And then you can share those certificates on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram, Telegram, and Twitter. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.